I'm Ben. I'm a PhD student in the chemistry department, and I'm in the NMR group. NMR stands for nuclear magnetic resonance, which is a technique that chemists use to help them determine the structure of a molecule that is present in their sample. It's a very similar technology to MRI, except essentially applied to chemistry. So you pop your sample into your NMR spectrometer, and you get out an NMR spectrum. From this, you can figure out the structure of the molecule present in your sample. The issue with this is that analyzing and interpreting these spectra can be quite difficult to do, and generally a skilled or trained chemist is required to do so. So what we are working on and have developed in the NMR group is machine learning approaches for interpreting these spectra and helping the chemist to do this much faster and more efficiently. As ever, I'm interested, therefore, in speaking to people who know about generative models, but also scientists who work in the lab and can help us to understand how we can address the different problems that they come up against. Thanks.